Today on the Christmas Tradition is Building LEGO VIP catalogue for Christmas 2012, we will be looking at the Architecture and City Train series. So we'll start with becoming a LEGO architect. Looking at Brandenburg Gate, 363 pieces, £30. All of these include booklets with detail and on design and history. There is the real Brandenburg Gate, Big Ben, the real one, and the Lego one. 346 pieces, £25. Villa Savoy, there's the real one. There's the Lego one, 660 pieces, £60. And then onto the City Train. You could become a Lego train driver with the passenger train, 665 pieces, £103. The roof can lift up. And then the train station, 361 pieces, £36, 4 minifigs. There was 3 minifigs in the other one, 4 minifigs in the train station. There we go. So that was the A Christmas Tradition is Building LEGO VIP Christmas catalogue for 2012. See you next time on the Brickmaster 2013.